Hi guys, it's Elsie here. This bibimbap is what I had for my lunch. There are so many bibimbap recipes on YouTube, but mine today is going to be more like a local homemade style. So first thing first, I'm going to make 무생채, which is marinated radish. It's like spicy, sweet, bit salty pickled radish. So I'm chopping off the radish in julienne. I have tried radish in some places, and I think Korean one has the strongest sweetness and flavor. Especially in wintertime, it's very sweet and flavorful. So people make kimchi in autumn or early winter season when the radish is the sweetest. Whoa. Then I'm going to add some salt. It's a sea salt and some sugar. I don't know how much of them, but equal amount. This is pickled radish, so marinate that and leave it about 10 minutes. Then you will see all the juice is out of the radish. You see there? So I'm squeezing them so that it absorbs other spices well. And plus, watery bibimbap is the worst. Then I'm adding the gochugaru, which is pepper flakes. Try to use Korean one because I see Chinese one is different. And garlic, you can use dried garlic or garlic powder if you want, and mix well with your clean hand. That looks fine to me. And don't forget to add sesame seeds. Korean food equals sesame seeds. Then mix well again. Look how beautiful the color changed. Let me try. It was really good. Then to the carrot. I enjoy chopping, so I'm chopping off the carrot. But if you don't like, you can buy the chopped ones in groceries, or you can use tool that do everything for you. My carrot that day was really sweet. In Korea, there are two kinds of carrots. One is with dust and the other one is washed and cleaned and peeled off already. The second one is really bland, but the first one is sweet, very sweet. Next one is mushroom. This is called 표고버섯. So I'm cutting off the stem part and slice them as well. I like the texture of mushroom. So any kind of mushroom will do in this recipe. Shiitake, gnocchi, whatever you like. I'm a big fan of mushroom, by the way. And saute the mushroom in the pan. Salt a little bit. I know that usually people cook mushroom in oil, but I prefer with water. It keeps the moist from the mushroom and the texture is bouncier and softer. So by adding a little bit of water, if it is dry, water them again. Dry, water them again. Try this and you will lower your calorie and at the same time the flavor is still amazing. Trust me. Next up is eggplant. Eggplant is not my favorite, but I got as a gift. So I'm adding butter to enhance the flavor. You see the green things? That's a spring onion. I slice them off a little bit and add it so that It makes the flavor to the next level. Has a little bit of salt and garlic. Add some garlic here and saute as well. Stir fry until you see it's slightly loosened and golden brown, like so, and that's it. Next is carrots. It's the same. Water a little bit. Don't worry about the leftovers on the pan because that's the goodness. That's the umami comes from. When the edge of the carrot turns to yellow, it means it's done. This is my bowl and rice. The reason why my rice is yellow, I added some turmeric. It gives lots of good nutrition. And some mushroom, carrots, or carrots, eggplant, lots of eggplant, and some more, and radish. And added some cucumber, pickled cucumber with salt because of the color. And don't forget, Korean food equal sesame seed. So sprinkle sesame seeds on top. Look how pretty it is. So pretty. This is the final look. I'm gently adding the sunny side up on the top. Let's go and eat. This gochujang is my mom sent me. She made it. So it's homemade gochujang. It's amazing. And I'm going to add some sesame oil. This is the most exciting part. Mix and be patient. I was drooling at this point. Fast forward. First bite. It was great combination of all the vegetables and egg and rice. It's sweet, spicy, nutty from sesame oil. You should try. From now on, I will leave you to enjoy the bibimbap with me.